This is Sean with Suncoast Films. Greetings, everybody. I'm at the old Capitol building here behind me. 1863, I do believe. And we're going to take a tour. Just got to Jackson, Mississippi, and going to show you around a little bit. Let's go. Okay, she was just telling me it was 1839. I want to show you this. Look at this architecture right here. This is, and then I want to show you the skylight over there. I mean, this is what I drove from Pensacola to see. And this was like the where they had the senators and the, I guess these are all offices right here. And this is absolutely amazing. I mean, look at the crown molding up here. Here's another look on the other side of it. I'm going to show you this. This is going to blow your mind right here. This right here. This is unbelievable. The artwork put into this right here is just unbelievable. In 1839. All right. Here's some more right here. The Supreme Chancery Court, established 1832 Constitution, made decisions according to equity or fairness. They tried differently to limit the power of state chancellor. Constitutional amendment abolished the Supreme Court of Chancery. A lower chancery courts were left in place. Mississippi is one of the 3 states that have district chancery courts. The state library moved down to the 3rd floor. All right, man, let's do this. I'm gonna go up. Those columns right there. Wow. I'm up here now, look at this. Holy crap, man. James Lashar George. Read off some of these names here. Josiah Abigail Patterson Campbell, first elected state representative 1851, Speaker of the House 3 times. He served in the Confederate legislature and Colonel of the Confederate Army. He became Mississippi Supreme Court Justice in 1876, Chief Justice 1909 until 1894. He wrote the state's legal code of 1880. Wow, look at this. This is just crazy. Here's some more right here. I'm not going to read all of these, but these were all either justices, Supreme Court justices, or well, this guy here was a lawyer. And we'll go over here and look at this. This is absolutely amazing, man. Lucius Quinton Venadius Lamar. He's a delegate at the Secession Convention 1861 and helped draft the Ordinance of Succession. After the Civil War, he served U.S. Senate, Secretary of Interior, and Justice of the Supreme Court. This is absolutely amazing. This is just absolutely amazing. The House Chamber of Mississippi's House of Representatives met in this room from 1839 to 1902. Many important events took place here, including Secession Convention of 1861, the constitutional conventions of 1868, 1890, the adoption of the state flag, 1894, the passage of one of the first primary election laws in 1902. This is walking around here too. We'll walk down this way. Wow. Look at this, man. You kidding me right now? Wow. I don't know, but I'd like to have that chair right there. Kidding me? We're going to go up to the 3rd floor also. This is just absolutely amazing. You get to Jackson, Mississippi, you have to come see this, man. You've got to come see this. This is the chambers right here. So this is where it all happened. Yeah. I think we can walk up here to see. Look at this, man. Wow. Go up there too. We're gonna go up to the 3rd floor now. It's downstairs right there. We're gonna walk over to this way. Yeah, we went in that room already. Walk over here. These are wood floors, man. Are you kidding me right now? Okay, this is the Senate chamber right here. Okay. The Senate and House of Representatives make a legislative branch of government. The Senate chamber is rich and decorated with dramatic space. It was a fitting backdrop stirring debates to amplify the sound everyone in groups could hear speeches being made. Senate debates, man, here you are. I can hear him talking right now. I can hear him talking. I can hear you guys arguing right now. This is really, really, really cool. And here's the Senate and the House. I think you can rotate these things. Every district elects one representative in the Senate. The districts drawn to House elections. I highly, highly recommend you come see this place for yourself. This is, you actually learn a little bit how bill becomes a law. And especially in Mississippi right here. It's absolutely amazing. Oh, this is such a treat. I mean, especially for Mississippi law, you know. It's like, wow. We're gonna go up to the 3rd floor now. This is amazing. This is the other side of the Senate room. We're gonna see what this desk is right here. This desk and chair were used by Senator J. Hiram McGee, who served from 1892 to 1894, and again from 1900 to 1904. The Senate desks are curved to form a circle in the well of the Senate chambers. So yeah, so you can see where they're kind of curved, so they can sit in like a circle. So that's pretty cool. Here's another thing right here. William Nichols ordered this desk and chair for the Senate chamber in Alabama Capitol, which he finished building in 1831. He may have ordered similar furniture for the Senate chamber too. Man, if these things could talk. Wow. Some more of the pictures here. More of the chamber. We're gonna go up to the 3rd floor now. This is really, really freaking awesome. Folks, I think these are real books, and I'll find out in the description. I will definitely find out. I don't see anything saying the books. Those real law books upstairs. There's some more right here. So. Wow. This is absolutely amazing. Here's the thing about the state library. The Mississippi State Library was established with the act of legislature in 1838, the oldest state libraries in the country. We'll just briefly read the state librarian was created the position of state librarian in 1842. The duties of post included purchasing books, maintaining catalog, running the library, loaning books to state officials, collecting overdue fines. Then here's historic preservation. The goal of historic preservation is to be able to preserve and restore an important site to its original design. It's a challenging task, even when there are records, architectural drawings, photographs, descriptions. They often give conflicting information. Preservation becomes a question of making the best choice. The restoration of this room required choosing between two paths. Architectural drawings made in 1916. Before the 1917 renovation, the old Capitol showed the columns in this room in one place. A photo taken in 1915 shows the columns in a different place. The current look of the room follows the photograph rather than the drawings. So, see right here, and there's the columns that they tried to preserve. That is really, really awesome. So on the third floor here, State Library, Senate Gallery, House Gallery. And then the second floor is the chambers we walk through. First floor is the governor's office, the rotunda, and Chancery Court. The House Gallery, the galleries, and the House and Senate chambers played an important role. They provide a place for the public to come and listen to speeches. When you look over the railing of the gallery, you have a good view of the House chamber below. The exhibits of the room will give you a sense of what the chamber was like when it was in session. So remember, we were just down here. We were just down there, and then this is where they would talk right here. So like if you were just here, and this is really, really awesome. Let's see what's over here. Here's some. Actually a picture of it. Why is there a blackboard in the room? How many children do you see here? Are there any people that look like they're state representatives? I don't know the answers to these. That's the office there, but here's some more pictures and another look around. Absolutely amazing. We'll walk around this way too. This one standing picture over here, let's see who this is. This is Jacob Hunter Sharp. Jacob Sharp was a Confederate brigadier general. He fought in the Battle of Chickamauga in the Atlantic Campaign. He was the editor of the Columbus Independent, president of the Mississippi Press, and associates in 1879. He served many years in the House Legislature and Speaker of the House from 1886 to 1888. Pretty cool. I wonder where these people are buried. Look at this frame too, man. Are you serious right now? Wow. Looks kind of serious, Tony. Okay. All right, we're going to walk to the other side. All right, we're going to walk to this side. This is so cool, man. Senate Gallery. Wow, man, look at this. That's the office. There's an office there, but here's some things here. It looks like they're still putting stuff in here. Public speaking. The dome over the Senate chamber affected the way the sound bounced off the ceiling. That's very true. A person standing in the center of the room would be heard loud and clear by the center of the chamber and by the galleries too. There you go, man. Walk around this way. This was a treat, and I think I'm the only one here. But I drove all the way in from Pensacola, Florida at 6 o'clock this morning, and this was on my list. This is one of my lists right here. Lunch is next. So, in the Senate chamber, the center of the dome had a gas light reflector, which was installed in 1870 to improve overhead lighting. Gas jets were hung underneath the metal or mirror glass reflectors to downlight into the room. There's another thing right here. This is really, really, really cool. Another look at the dome right there. What a treat, man. What a treat. Here's one more look around. I'm getting ready to walk out, but here's some more about the architectural. When the building was completed in 1839, Jackson was still a frontier town. The legislation was willing to spend a fortune, and the structure would symbol the hopes and ambitions of the young state and its people. The building still stands today, a landmark of the city and state, great realization of their dreams. There's the 60s and then 2009. But it was completed in 1839. But look at that, man. And it's not much, it looks almost the same. You did a great job with this. I highly recommend you come see this place. So we're gonna wrap it up here and say goodbye to everybody. This was a treat. I highly recommend you come see this place. This shot was Suncoast Films. Hey, thanks for joining me out here, man. This place is absolutely amazing. The architecture, I got to see all the floors. I mean, what an amazing, amazing place. So we're gonna go find food now. And thanks for joining me, man. This is cool. We got some more filming to do, some other things to do. So, man, Jackson, Mississippi, the old Capitol building, museum now. Take care, everybody. Amazing. Locust. Listen to that.